Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science in Class 12, only way. Plan your syllabus into weekly goals, prioritize core concepts, and build a daily coding habit. Mix reading with active practice and test yourself with timed past papers. Focus on key data structures, algorithms, and programming projects that demonstrate understanding. Stay consistent, review mistakes promptly, and ask for help when topics feel unclear. In this video, I will explain how to study computer science in Class 12, only way. Start with simple programs and increase complexity slowly while keeping notebooks of common mistakes. Use online compilers to test ideas quickly, then re-implement on your own to solidify learning. Treat each bug as a puzzle and document fixes so you don't repeat errors. Regularly refactor code for clarity and practice explaining solutions aloud to someone else. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading textbooks, annotating notes, and studying on the go, and it pairs nicely with focused study sessions. Check the description for the link and extra deals before you buy so you get the best price. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study computer science in Class 12, only way. Develop an exam plan that assigns minutes per question and includes short review breaks. Practice under timed conditions to simulate pressure and refine time management. Create quick reference sheets for formulas and syntax you often forget, and rehearse writing clear, commented code for answer clarity. Enter the exam confident, calm, and with a simple checklist to follow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.